take a moment to get out your Math Process Journal, or MPJ. In the pink crate is your first page for your notes. You are going to take a moment to pause the video and cut out all the pieces, and then glue them into the left-hand side page of your notebook so that they look exactly like this page appears now. Pause the video and glue these pieces in. Now on the right-hand side, take a moment to glue these pieces so it looks exactly like this page. Again, pause the video until you have glued these pieces into your notebook. Now we are going to start our lesson. You should be on the left-hand side of your page. We are going to discuss integers and greater than and less than today. An integer is a whole number that can be greater than 0 or less than 0. Negative numbers are on the left-hand side of 0 on a number line. They are less than 0. Positive numbers are greater than 0 and are located on the right-hand side of the number line. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. Two numbers are opposites if on a number line they are the same distance from 0 but on different sides. To graph an integer on a number line, like the one above, just place a dot on the dash that is over the integer. Take a moment to graph 7, -6, 1, and -2. Once you have graphed those 4 points, then graph their opposites. Pause the video while you do this. So if you graph 7 on the number line, it is where this yellow dot has appeared. 6, -6 is the orange. 1 is green. -2 is purple. Check to make sure your dots are in the same place. Now check your opposites. Notice -7 is directly opposite +7. They are the same distance from 0. +6 is the same distance from 0 as -6. 1 and -1, 2 and -2. You can also graph on a vertical number line. It works the exact same way as the horizontal. The numbers extend forever in both directions, with 0 being the center point. Take a moment to graph these on the vertical line also. Now we are on the right-hand side, and we are going to look at greater than and less than. Greater than is with the opening pointing to the left, and less than has the larger opening pointing to the right. So this first symbol here shows the smaller, less than, bigger. If you write -8 is the smaller number, and it appears here at this yellow dot on the number line. If we put -2 in the bigger number, it is this other yellow dot on the number line. If you notice, -8 is farther to the left than -2. This means that -8 is less than -2. Place a 4 in the bigger box. More than. 4 is this green dot on the number line. In the smaller box, you're going to place -3. Notice that -3 is to the left of +4 on the number line. This means that -3 is the smaller number. So reading this, it says, since 4 is the number written here on the left, you read it 4 is more than or is greater than -3. Equal to means the two numbers are the same. For this, we're going to use -5. We graph -5 as an orange dot. -5 is equal to -5. They are the same place on the number line. After you have finished your notes, please go back into Schoology to see what your next lesson is. If you need to, rewind and watch the video for a second time.